So the latest betting is pretty clear that we fully expect the Conservatives to win the most seats by some way. The question is, are they going to have a majority? And you know, the odds are still saying yes they are, but compared to 4 weeks ago when we thought there was going to be a huge majority, that no longer looks the case. So we think the Conservatives are going to win, and we think they're going to win relatively easily. So the last 2 weeks have definitely been a pro-Labour run of bets. So the number of bets coming in have been more for Labour than for the Conservative Party. But that has probably changed this morning. So in the last 12 hours or so, we've seen a run back to Conservatives, including an extraordinary £200,000 bet on a Conservative most seats. So they've suddenly geared up. Everyone is convinced that the Conservatives are now going to win, and they're coming in. It's a huge growth area, there's no doubt about it. I mean, there's been some very interesting political upheavals of late, be it Brexit, where we had Scottish independence, we had Donald Trump, and now we've got this, and the difference is huge. I mean, 10 years ago, 12 years ago, on an election we would hope to take maybe £40,000–50,000. We'd have 3 markets. We now have 780 markets available just for the election. As a basis, if you're going in for a poll, somebody will say to you, so how are you going to vote? And you say, yeah, I'm going to go vote Conservative. Whereas if you're going to have a bet, you tend to start looking at it in depth. So right, why are they going to win? Who are they going to win? Which seats are they going to lose? And all those sort of things. And then you put your money where your mouth is. You don't put money unless you really are sure. So traditionally, the more bets you take for a leadership election or whatever it may be, it tends to be a much better indicator than a poll. So this is the most seats, so whoever's going to win, and currently it says the Conservative Party are very much the favourites. So it's £12, you win £1, walk away with 13. So it's about an 8% return on your money. So really good chance. After that, Labour is 6 to 1, so bet £1, win £6, walk away with 7. And then, to be honest, the others are all out of it. It is straight 2 of them, Conservatives versus Labour, and we think the Conservative Party will win comfortably.